Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial, and today we are going to be getting into stats and reports. Stats and reports generally is going to be applicable for the entrepreneur who is really looking to track their data. So if you're someone who just kind of takes it day by day, whoever comes in the door comes through the door, and that's how you manage your business, fine. Generally, the stats and reports section is going to be for people who are pretty number oriented, want to see how many people they had come in, go out, numbers. For any of those people that like to track those statistics, if you have a salon with multiple staffers and employees and you're trying to manage that, this is going to be much more relevant for you. But regardless, anyone who is looking to try to find their history, numbers, and look at any sort of data, that is going to be where we're going today. So as always, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. That being said, let's get right into it, guys. So if you're on the mobile, you just have to go to your profile and then you're going to see this stats and reports right here. But I will overwhelmingly recommend that if you want to see the stats and reports, that you check it out on the web app. The reason being that these graphs that they create for you, which are actually pretty cool, are hard to conceptualize on the tiny phone screen. So if you're interested in stats and reports, you can find them here and then, sort by week, month, and then get reports here. But I'm mainly going to focus today on looking at it inside of the web app. So all you have to do is log in, and then if you look on the left side here, this is where all the settings options are. You can just go down here to reports, and it's going to open up the stats and reports, which you can already see inside of the dashboard. I mean, I don't have any revenue since this is just my test account, but you can see how much easier this would be to understand when it starts in January, goes through December. This tells you the year. There's a forecasting as well, which is pretty cool. And then across the top here is just going to be all the menus, appointments, clients, revenue. And then there's going to be graphs that go along with each one of those. So obviously this is going to be one of those things where the better record you keep, so marking clients as they came or they didn't come, no shows, everything like that. It's just software, as always, garbage in, garbage out. If you don't keep a good history, if you're not keeping stuff up to date, then this is only going to be as accurate as you make it. So it's just that simple, guys. So the appointments, clients, and revenue, I know those all do come with graphs, which is pretty cool. Cash flow, I didn't know this was in here, but is really surprisingly robust. I mean, you could really dig in here. You can see the cash flow depending on the different payment methods, mobile payments, the card reader, and tap to pay. Inventory, that's a pretty advanced feature, which I have not even explored myself much, but you could go find some reports here. Even have it broken down by staff, by both revenue and commission. Pretty cool there. Broken down by marketing, so profits from Boost, and then tips as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Definitely don't need to get super into the weeds today. I did just want to make a real quick video showing where you can go to find the stats and reports. As I mentioned earlier, my overwhelming recommendation in order to really understand those graphs and numbers you're looking at would be to check it out on the browser inside of the web app. I just think that interface is so much better and easier to understand. But if you are stuck using it on your phone for whatever reason they may be, you just come to the profile, open up stats and reports, and you can get your reports here, even download some reports at the end. So that's or see it by staff statistics as well. That's a tongue twister. Anyways, guys, pretty easy one for today. As always, I do appreciate your time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That does help me out. And if you are considering subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Besides that, as always, appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next one.